Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you another beaded notebook tutorial. In case you guys have not seen the last one, I will go ahead and link it down below where I created these super cute mini notebooks using boxed card sets. So like I said, I'll have that link down below. This time I wanted to use this box card set. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby and it's called Pretty in Palms. I love it so much and I wanted to create horizontal mini notebooks. So these are made going horizontal, so like the patterns are horizontal. Actually those two you can do vertical, but this one is horizontal. As you can see the back of the card, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to create the notebooks this way. So first you're just going to go ahead and create your template that you're going to use for your We Are Memory Keepers bookbinding guide. You'll need your template to measure the length of your book, of your note card, which is going to be 4 1/4, and you're going to go ahead and score 5/8, 1 5/8, 2 5/8, and 3 5/8. Now we're going to go ahead and put our book together. So you have 4 pieces of heavyweight cardstock, and then this is your card. Well, this is the card that I'm choosing to work with. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half right on the score mark like this. And then once you have done that, you're just going to go ahead and put the book together. So the back of your book, your pages, and then your cover. And then you're going to go ahead and lay your template right where you plan to pierce your holes to bind your book. So then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my We Are Memory Keepers bookbinding guide. And I did purchase this on scrapbook.com, but it wasn't there anymore. So I'm going to find it somewhere else and put the link down below. And you want to have those score marks right on the indicated middle circle. So then all you have to do is grab your piercing tool that comes with the bookbinding guide and go ahead and pierce your paper to create the holes where you are going to bind your book, only on those score marks, like this. And then remove your template. And I like to make the holes bigger just by putting my awl straight through till I hit the base of my handle and just move it in a circular motion, and that widens up the space where I can put the embroidery floss through. So I'm using this pack of embroidery floss. I'll link it down below. It is from BB Craft, and this set of needles comes with it, and that's the needle that I'm going to be using to string my glass beads onto, because the one that comes with the bookbinding guide, it's a little big. So first I'm going to go ahead and separate my book in half. And then I'm going to come in from the second hole from the inside of the book like this, and then go around under and out the same hole. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start stringing my beads. So I pretty much am doing what I had done in my other beaded notebook video, but if this is the first video that you're seeing, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys how to put it together. But yeah, so very simple. Just string your beads on. Then you're going to go over to the next hole and go through it again like this. Then you're going to go under and go through that same hole again. Then you're going to go from the bottom of the book like this and pierce through the last hole and string some more beads on. Kind of make sure everything is straight. Sometimes the embroidery floss tends to get a little crooked. Then you're going to tighten it up and everything, and then you don't want it to look crooked or anything, the embroidery floss. So just kind of keep making sure everything is straight as you go. And I wish I had green and yellow seed beads. I don't. So I just used pink, different shades of pink seed beads. And I got these seed beads from Hobby Lobby. So you're going to go underneath and string more beads. And I'm using 5 seed beads. You could probably do 6 or 7, but I feel like 5 is perfect. And if you see me trying different beads, it's because sometimes they didn't fit onto the needle because the hole was too small. So Then you're gonna go through that same hole, come around the book like this. And then you're gonna go through that second hole we started into the middle of your book and pull out like this. And then you're just gonna tie a knot. I tie it about 3 times just so everything is secure and tight and I know it's not gonna come apart. So like I said, I do it a few times and then I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the excess string, and there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. Love you guys. Bye.